Congratulations on taking action toward greater health and mobility. It is our wish that you take the time to learn how to use this product safely and effectively toward optimizing your health. The treatment cap on the end of the device is the gentlest as it vibrates in the same plane as the skin. It's always a good one to start with and then work your way up to the more aggressive tips around the perimeter of the head for deeper penetration into the soft tissues. The large head is general purpose and can be used for most applications. It outputs out a lot more energy, deeper into the tissue than the treatment cap, so little or no pressure is needed to achieve outstanding results. The soft tip is designed for tender or bony areas, such as elbows, wrist, knees, and knuckles. The AccuPoint works great for acupressure, dry needling, or trigger points. Also, useful for pinpoint targeting tight areas, cross-fiber friction, and muscle endpoints. In general, you want to work across the muscle fibers as well as along the muscle fibers, paying extra attention to the muscle endpoints.